Hello guys, welcome to today's short video in which we'll go through how to download the MT5 platform to your Windows PC and how to sign into your MT5 platform for the first time. So once we're logged in into our FTMO client area, we scroll down to the download section here. And once we're here, we just go down to the platforms. And in our case, we're interested into MT5. And again, we're on the Windows PC, so we hit download for Windows. So now the setup is downloaded. So let's just open it up. So we hit yes, and here we just go next, and now we wait until the MT5 is installed. So we just click on finish, and now the MT5 website is going to open up, so we can just close that for now. And here we have the MT5 platform. So to sign into your MT5 platform for the first time, what you want to do is you want to go to File, and here open an account. That's where you sign up for the first time. So you should already see FTMO here. If you don't see it for some reason, you can just type it in here and then find the company. So type in FTMO, we already have it here, so we just go next. And here you want to click on connect with an existing trade account. So here you put in the login and the password. So we'll just do that for now. Okay, so we got the login credentials in. So make sure to put in the master password because the read-only password is not going to let you trade. And also make sure to put in the correct server. So in our case, it's FTMO Demo 2. Now you just hit finish, and congrats, you signed into the MT5 platform for the first time and you're ready to trade.